Hi guys, welcome back to Food and Mood Creations. Today we're making egg white muffins. I was making ice cream and I had some leftover egg whites, so I thought why not make egg white muffins. I added paprika, cayenne pepper, seasoned salt, dried parsley, garlic powder, and black pepper to the egg whites, and I'm just gonna whisk that really well to combine. Let's talk health benefits for a second. Egg whites contain minuscule amounts of fat and carbs, therefore they are the perfect food for people who are trying to lose weight. In addition to this, each egg white muffin has 4 grams of carbs and 3.6 grams of fat. Egg whites are also a good source of amino acids, which are needed for growth, development, and reproduction. I'm adding onions, garlic, and 1.5 cups of frozen broccoli Normandy. I use frozen vegetables, but you can use fresh vegetables. Just make sure you saute them to remove some of the moisture. Vegetables hold a lot of water, and that can make the egg white muffins soggy. I also added some Parmesan cheese off camera. My phone ran out of space and I didn't realize it stopped recording, so you won't be able to see that. But it is listed in the recipe. Just click the link in the description box below. I transferred the egg white muffin batter into a glass measuring cup to make it easier to pour into the muffin pan. I used a jumbo muffin pan and got 7 jumbo egg white muffins, but you can use a regular muffin pan and get about 14 muffins. Also, make sure you spray the muffin liners with non-stick cooking spray to prevent the muffins from sticking to the liners. I forgot to spray my liners and the egg white muffins stuck to the liners. I baked the egg white muffins for 15 to 30 minutes until they were firm to the touch, and this is how they came out. They were really good, and they are the perfect breakfast food since you can just heat them up in the microwave and go about your day. Again, if you want detailed instructions on how to make these egg white muffins, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.